For many small and growing businesses, managing finances can quickly become a complex, time-consuming, and often daunting task. While various accounting software solutions exist, some businesses find themselves needing more than just a piece of software. They need expert human support to truly handle their books. This is where services like Bookkeeper 360 come into play, offering a blend of technology and human expertise. But with so many options available, a critical question emerges. Is Bookkeeper 360 software worth it? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Bookkeeper 360 is not just a software. It's a comprehensive service that leverages software to deliver its core offering. This distinction is crucial for understanding its value proposition. You're not just buying a subscription to a platform, you're engaging a team of US-based accounting professionals supported by their proprietary technology. What is Bookkeeper 360? At its heart, Bookkeeper 360 is an outsourced bookkeeping and accounting service designed for small and medium-sized businesses, particularly those leveraging popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online and Xero. They aim to be a one-stop shop for financial management, offering services that go beyond basic bookkeeping. Their core offerings typically include dedicated bookkeeper. You're assigned a specific US-based bookkeeper who gets to know your business. This personal touch is a significant differentiator from purely automated software solutions. Bookkeeping services. This covers the essentials: recording transactions, categorizing expenses, reconciling bank and credit card accounts, and maintaining accurate financial records. They often offer weekly or monthly bookkeeping, depending on your needs. Financial reporting, providing you with essential financial statements like profit and loss, income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. Many plans also include performance dashboards and key performance indicators, KPIs, through their app. Payroll services, handling payroll processing, including deductions, direct deposits, W-2s, and 1099s, often by integrating with popular payroll providers like Gusto. Tax services, offering tax preparation, business and personal, and tax planning/advisory services. This can be a huge relief for business owners grappling with tax compliance. Fractional CFO services, for growing businesses needing strategic financial guidance but not ready to hire a full-time CFO. Bookkeeper 360 offers advisory services including budgeting, forecasting, cash flow management, and strategic planning. Back office support, assistance with accounts payable, bill payments, and accounts receivable, invoicing and collections. The software component. While Bookkeeper 360 is service-led, their software component acts as a vital conduit for their services and insights. This usually manifests as integrations. Their system integrates seamlessly with your primary accounting software, QuickBooks Online or Xero. This means they work within the platform you already use or help you set one up. Performance dashboard/app. They provide a proprietary app or dashboard that gives you real-time visibility into your business's financial performance, cash flow, and key metrics. This is where you see the summarized data and insights that their team produces. Communication tools. The platform likely includes secure messaging or communication tools to interact directly with your dedicated bookkeeper and accounting team. When is Bookkeeper 360 worth it? Bookkeeper 360's value proposition shines for specific types of businesses. Growing businesses that need scalable support. If your business is expanding rapidly and your bookkeeping needs are becoming too complex or time-consuming for you to handle, or for a single in-house bookkeeper, Bookkeeper 360 can provide scalable expertise. Businesses seeking more than just bookkeeping. If you need help with payroll, tax planning, or even strategic financial advice, fractional CFO services. Bookkeeper 360's integrated offerings become very appealing. It consolidates multiple financial functions under one roof. Entrepreneurs who want to focus on core business. Many business owners prefer to delegate financial tasks to experts so they can concentrate on sales, product development, or service delivery. Bookkeeper 360 allows them to do just that, providing peace of mind. Users of QuickBooks Online or Xero. Since Bookkeeper 360 deeply integrates with these two popular platforms, It's an ideal choice if you already use or plan to use either of them as your primary accounting software. Businesses needing accrual basis accounting. Unlike some simpler services that only offer cash basis, Bookkeeper 360 provides accrual basis accounting, which gives a more accurate picture of a business's financial performance over time. Those who value a dedicated human touch. The assigned, US-based bookkeeper is a significant draw for businesses that want personalized service and direct communication with a knowledgeable professional, when it might not be the best fit. Very small businesses with extremely simple needs. If you're a solopreneur with minimal transactions and straightforward finances, using a free or very low-cost accounting software like Wave or the free tiers of FreshBooks or Zoho Books might be sufficient, especially if you're comfortable handling the basics yourself. Businesses on a tight budget. While transparent about starting prices, the full cost of Bookkeeper 360 can be higher than purely software-based solutions or some other outsourced bookkeeping services, especially as you add more services or have higher transaction volumes. Businesses using niche accounting software. If you're on an accounting platform other than QuickBooks Online or Xero, e.g., FreshBooks, Sage 50, Custom ERP, Bookkeeper 360's integrations might not be compatible, requiring you to switch platforms. Those who prefer complete DIY. If you enjoy having full control over every accounting entry and wish to manage everything personally within your software, then a service model like Bookkeeper 360 might feel less empowering, even with their dashboards.